Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter lock screen. Go to screen lock type, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks and 2 biometrics. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the tab. Firstly, let's go to PIN and now enter at least 6 digits. Now use it to unlock the tab. Next, let's select password, and to create it, enter at least 4 characters. Use it to unlock the tab. And now let's select 2 non-security screen locks, which are swipe and pattern, and none. In the end, let's select pattern. To create it, connect at least 4 dots. Use it to unlock the tab. And now we can proceed to biometrics. Our first biometric is face unlock. Enter it and now scan your face via front camera. And now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the tab. Swipe up and it's done. In the end, let's select fingerprint ID. And now simply scan your fingerprint via fingerprint sensor located on the right side of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done and now use your fingerprint to unlock the tab. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.